How to determine if the given object is of given type in Python? I always thought operator is determined if the given variable is of the given type. But I just determined it was not true. How do I test if A is of type class A? Please advise. Thanks, Boda Saito.
You want disinstance A. Keep in mind, it might be better to avoid the isinstance check by adding methods to A that make it do what you want without explicitly determining that it is an A. Is determines if two objects are the same object.
Isinstance A.
Jo, vänta Senor. Jag är för kanske subscribing.